Good morning and Sat Sri Akal from Amritsar, the Golden Temple, the spiritual home of Sikhism. Alright guys, so to be honest with you, there's not much that I know about Sikhism in general apart from the fact that they wear a turban and carry a dagger. So let's have a walk around the Golden Temple and see what we could discover. So before you enter the Golden Temple, there are certain rules that you need to follow. You need to have your head covered, so I got myself a bandana, and I would need someone's assistance to actually get this thing put on my head. So let's see if we can find someone. सत श्री अकाल सरदार जी, ये सर पे डाल सकते हो? मुझे डालना नहीं आता, आप डाल सकते हैं मेरे लिए? थैंक यू.
देखना भी चाहिए था
कितने जने बनने रुक जाओ. अच्छा फिर पीछे चले गए. बस एक गठ और मार दो. लेकिन
ठीक है थोड़ा ही नीवा करना चल.
शुक्रिया भाई साहब.
ओके
थैंक यू.
ਅੱਗੇ भी मिल ਜਾਂਦਾ रुमाल वैसे.
हाँ
कोई
ठीक है,
बात
थैंक यू.
Okay.
शुक्रिया. So yeah, now that we have the turban on, I'm sure at one point of time you need to take off your shoes since it's a religious establishment, or I should say a gurudwara. That's what it said in Sikhism. So let's see, let's carry around. All right, I think I found a place where you need to take off your shoes, so time to do that. सत श्री अकाल. Thank you.
कितना भी होता फिर भी
Well, looks like they have a system here, and this is my shoe pass or my shoe ticket. Well, now I think we can enter the Golden Temple. So, yep, without my shoes, let's carry around. Check out this for the beauty. Though it is kind of foggy around at this part of the year, and yeah, I can feel the coldness in the marble, and I can understand because at this time of the year Punjab gets really cold, at least in comparatively to Rajasthan for sure and Delhi. You know, the temperature right now should be about 10 to 15 degrees, which is quite normal for Punjabis at this time of the year. So you need to be pretty accustomed to this kind of climate, especially if you come in winters. Let's read the rules. Smoking, drinking or use of tobacco products in any form is strictly prohibited. Please deposit your shoe in the shoe area. Well, I'm already ahead of my game. I know a lot about Sikhism than many other people across the world. I think we have to get our hands washed. So let's go wash our hands. Done. There are a lot of rules that you need to know in order to enter the Golden Temple, so you get to learn a lot of things. The next is probably getting your feet washed. So, yep, let's get our washing. Well, you won't believe how beautiful it looks. I can already see it. Just have a look. Wow, check out this for a beauty.
बंद कर लो.
This is something probably that I'm gonna offer as a prayer. I'm not sure. It's the first time that I'm entering into the golden part of the Golden Temple. The golden part of the Golden Temple. The climate finally seems to warm up, which is better right now. Well, let me tell you a few things that are forbidden in Sikhism. Rule number 1 is you cannot cut your hair. Hence, they wear a turban. The second rule in Sikhism is there's prohibition in consumption of tobacco and alcohol. Rule number 3 is there is no priest or upper class or Brahmin. Everyone are considered equal, something that I really like. Rule number 4 is you are prohibited from having halal meat. So any meat that is cut through the throat under the name of Allah is prohibited in Sikhism. And rule number 5 is you're not allowed to cheat on your spouse. So adultery is prohibited in Sikhism. Isn't that cool to have such kind of rules implemented in your religion? I wish my religion had that sort of rules, but unfortunately I'm an agnostic, so I have no sense of religious views. But that's something that really fascinates me, to visit places like these, learn more about the culture, how it is intertwined with the religion. Anyways, thank you. Check out this beauty, the Golden Temple. Imagine feeding to thousands of people every day, people who are in need of food. This is one of the biggest pilgrimage site for Sikhs. Well, as a Hindu or as a tourist, this is just a beautiful place for me. But imagine for a Sikh person visiting the center of your religion where the whole thing springs out. There must be a sense of spirituality. I could only imagine how it is. Well, what I didn't know was inside the Golden Temple they mentioned no photography. So you'll have to believe me when I say that it was absolutely beautiful. It seems like there are some new rules where videography is prohibited inside the sanctum of the Golden Temple. So I had to be very, respectful and not take too many videos. So yeah, I managed to take some clips which I'm gonna eventually put it on YouTube. But otherwise, it was just a wonderful experience. For me, as a Hindu or as a tourist, it's just a beautiful temple. But imagine how it would feel for a Sikh person, coming to the center of your religion where everything springs out. And yeah, it's just a wonderful experience. I completely understand the sense of spirituality, which is so deep. And I could only imagine how it would be for a Muslim guy when he visits Hajj in Saudi Arabia, or for a Hindu visiting Varanasi and taking a dip in holy Ganges. It's a sense of spirituality, and it's something that needs to be respected. So yeah, shout out to the Sikh community, the amount of hardship that they have been through all their life, and they feed like thousands of people every day. People who are in need come here every day, relax, unwind, listen to the wonderful music. It's just a great feeling. And yep, this is something that I've learned today from the Golden Temple. So I think that's it from Amritsar and the Golden Temple. Hopefully I'll take you to some more interesting place with me. Till then, Sat Sri Akal and have a great day.